And welcome back to another video. Yes, this is Aquaponics, even though it is a massive fish tank with very, very big fish that never look big on camera. Yes, that is a swimming pool. Those are freshwater stingrays. This is our little system that we set up about 2 weeks ago. A lot of them are looking a little bit elongated, and there is a mixture of weird types of lettuce. I have no idea what half of these plants are because my lovely accountant gave me a whole lot of seedlings. It was all written down, but when I take them out of the things that they're written down with and stick them in little things like this, I don't take note of what's what. Now, quite a few of them didn't survive. They were just little seedlings that just germinated a little bit and then just turned to crap, unfortunately. So I have replanted a fair bit of, wait, what was it? Spinach. And I'm pretty sure that's what those are. Some of them look a little bit elongated, like that one, and I think that's because I stuffed up and my light is too high above the plants. It is a high-powered LED light, like silly high-powered for aquarium plants, penetrating underwater, but no, I've got it too far up. I should have had it further down, so I'll show you this system that we're going to do. Well, we started last night, and what I'm going to do better than this system. I'm not giving up on this system, but yeah, once they get elongated, they kind of suck, unfortunately. So I think a few of these are a little bit of a fail. I know, I need a new hanging kit because I cut the bloody cord, didn't I? Yeah, so don't do what I do. Leave the cord there so you can lower it, because that's the whole idea of a hanging kit. Anyway, yeah, mistakes, beginner mistakes. But this is the system. It is working well so far. We're 2 weeks in from little tiny seeds to small little plants. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure what that is. It could be some type of lettuce. Yeah, I don't know. If you're watching this, Maddie, comment down below. She's gonna go, you idiot, for not labeling what you've got. But, oh well, it is what it is, isn't it? That's half the fun. We'll figure it out if they grow, and yeah, we have a salad, a fish-flavored salad, because these stingrays and all those fish, and that's a 9-foot by 4-foot tank, are feeding these plants. All it is water is pumped from this little tub here. And if you didn't see my last video a couple of weeks ago, I won't bore you too much in this one. But tiny little pump there, pumping water up, going along, and then trickling back in. Plant's supposed to feed off the nitrates, which is the end chemical process, and a little bit of phosphates. I have hardly any nitrites. I know, they eat kilos of fish a day, but my filtration kind of works and doesn't turn it into nitrates, which is kind of weird. In that tub there is a huge Murray cod. You can kind of just see its silhouette there. We will check him out in a second. I also have, these were just planted yesterday. I also have these just planted yesterday. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. These are cucumbers, more cucumbers. I've got them in pots because we have set up this little system here. And okay, that is ridiculous. Overnight, they have actually grown more than the pots. What on earth is happening? Okay, well, some of them have. That one's thinking about it. That one has. That's like that talking plant. Seymour. No, it's maybe not called Seymour. There is our Murray cod. Yes, we are jumping around a little bit crazy. Oh, look. We've rescued you. That is the seed, and those are the leaves. Yeah, it's kind of weird how seeds germinate. The roots come out, and then the seed is actually the leaf bit. It's just, yeah. But they seem to be going well. I think I have 13 of them planted here, and this is the same idea as that system. This tub is connected to the big pool. All of these are connected up, and there's a pump down the bottom, pumping water into here. There's the water. It's trickling along, and then back into my tub. Pretty straightforward. So with these, because they are going to climb, I've got about 4.5 foot of room above them. I think I'm going to just run some wire or maybe a bit of mesh or something here so they can all climb up. Maybe just some nice chain or something so it doesn't look too messy. Yeah, we don't want a giant messy jungle because it's messy enough. And yes, this is messy. Oh, is it messy? But I think just something for them to climb up is going to work super well. I'm not entirely sure about lighting. I think I might do another light Yeah, if I don't do a light, they're just going to get elongated, aren't they? But these tubs, well, they're not tubs. These little pots are just the little mesh pots, a little bit of media in the bottom, sitting in the water. And this pump is just on 24 hours a day, just pumping water through and going back. So hopefully it will work. Hopefully there's enough nutrients for the plants. But yeah, any suggestions on lighting? I think I will need lighting because, yeah, it gets diluted light, but I think they're all just going to try and creep out that way, and I want them to grow up. So I think I'll just have a decent light on top of them, and just this time, maybe do it a lot lower so it's about that high. Where that one, I think, is about 1.5 feet above it. Yeah, a little bit too high, which is a shame. And I don't think once the plants get elongated like that, that they're going to really come good. Yeah, they're a little bit weak. That one's weak. RIP, little buddy, you're not going to survive. But a few of these other ones are looking okay. I don't think there is any roots to them really yet coming through the bottom. Oh, there's a little tiny bit of roots. But that's just the water trickling down. I do know that this system is going to be a problem when they all start growing because the roots are just going to clog the pipes. Yeah, as long as I'm onto that and it doesn't completely flood everything and drain the water out of my stingrays, should be right. But that is where we are. I think we're at 27 degrees Celsius, so the water is pretty warm at the moment. And our pH is probably about 6.3, 6.4, so a little bit acidic. But I don't think it's acidic enough for the lettuce because I think they ideally want 5.5 to 6.5 or something. It is not going that low with my fish because, yeah, freshwater stingrays like it acidic, but they're not going to cope with 5.5 for very long. And my nitrifying bacteria is not going to cope either, is it? No, it's not. There's Mr. Peacock bass. Otherwise, everything is going well. There's giant gourami. We have some pig-nosed turtles who do not like extremely acidic water, so they're not going to go any lower as well. Bass sort of checking out what's happening. Yes, lots of big fish to feed some plants. Hopefully we'll get a salad out of them. Yeah, that is elongated, isn't it? Yeah, okay, that's a little bit of a fail. So I just need to get the light on that one a lot lower. Anyway, if you did like this short update on what's happening with the aquaponics, click the thumbs up so I know. Comment down below if you want to comment, that would be wonderful, because not many people tend to comment on my videos. Yes, I know, probably because there's not much you can really comment on that, can you? But we'll see how we go. If you were to do this, what would you do differently? Everything? Probably everything. We're going to see if they grow better in the pots than they do on this. Anyway, we will see you in the next video. Quick update. Yeah, we'll see how we go from here, eh?